Well, guys, I'm gonna be pretty quiet because Chris and Elliot are shooting a YouTube video in the other room, and I look horrible. I need to start trimming that at least every other couple days. I did it just the other day, a couple days ago. My beard grows pretty quick. Anyway, so I'm not gonna be real loud because they're shooting a video. It's Friday. I'm at the Forge. I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna try and it's gonna be like a montage, and it may all be music. It's gonna be a short video. I'm gonna try something different just for fun. I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff today, and I'm gonna try and document most of it. Somebody asked me the other day about, I have a dark spot here, but on here that is a scar, in case anybody was ever asking. This dark area here comes from wearing my CPAP mask, but this right here is a scar. It goes along with the one that's in my eyebrow right in here, right in here, yeah, right there. There's a story behind that, but we'll talk about that some other time. the video that it's morning, the next morning, I wanted to go to the end of this and say, what you saw was one knife. I did 3 knives. The knife you saw me do, that Goblin, the one I did all the little snippets and put it to music that you just saw, took me about 3 or 4 hours total, I think. I did 3 knives yesterday. I think I finished 3 knives that I refinished. And I think I finished working on those at about 10 and then ground a neck knife. So I didn't even get home till right around midnight last night. So I just wanted to throw this at the end so you guys knew. I mean, there's a lot of work that goes into all the stuff when, you know, the process that goes into it. It's time consuming. It's not so much that it's hard, it's time consuming. So anyway, guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. You guys take it easy. I hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of different. If you don't like this kind of, I'm going to do stuff like this every once in a while. If you don't like it, let me know. I thought it was kind of a cool change just to do it that way, just so it was just not me just talking to you guys watching me do something. It was something different. So, all right, guys, take it easy, and I will see you next time.